Hi viewers, today's recipe will be Mughlai chicken gravy. Let's have a look on how to make it. Make sure you subscribe to Aziba's Cuisine and press the bell notification for latest updates. To begin with, add 2 tablespoons of oil to a deep-bottomed vessel. Once the oil heats, add 2 large onions that are roughly chopped. Mix and saute well. Once the onion turns translucent, add coconut powder 50 grams. Alternatively, you can also use freshly grated coconut. Then add 5 to 6 cashew nuts. On a medium flame, mix and saute for 3 minutes until you smell a fragrant aroma. Turn off the flame and transfer it to a plate. Allow it to cool down and grind to a fine paste. To the same vessel, add 4 tablespoons of cooking oil, followed by ginger garlic paste 2 tablespoons. Stir well until the raw smell disappears. I have taken one whole large chicken with small, medium and large sized pieces, washed and cleaned thoroughly. Add in the chicken pieces. On a high flame, roast these chicken pieces until they change color. This process helps the chicken pieces to release excessive water content, resulting in a thick gravy consistency. Add in 2 teaspoons of salt. You can see that the chicken has released its excessive water content. Garam masala powder 1 teaspoon, turmeric powder 1 teaspoon, coriander powder 2 teaspoon, hot chili 1 teaspoon, Kashmiri red chili powder 2 tablespoons. Stir and mix the chicken pieces with the masalas. As you can see, the masala has nicely coated to the chicken pieces. At this point of time, you have to add puree of 2 large tomatoes. Mix and cook for 5 to 7 minutes until the raw smell of the tomatoes disappear. Turn off the flame. Add 1 cup of whisked yogurt or curd. Mix the yogurt well along with the chicken. Adding yogurt to a boiling gravy may end up in curdling, so it's better to switch off the flame and add the curd and mix it through. Turn the flame on now. Let it simmer for 5 minutes. At this point of time, add in the paste of onions, coconut and cashew. Mix well. As you can see boils in the gravy, it's time to add water. I have added about 400 ml of boiling hot water. Check for salt at this stage. Let it boil until the oil separates from the gravy. Add a handful of chopped coriander, chopped mint, three whole green chilies, lemon juice 2 tablespoons, cover and cook for 10 minutes on a medium flame. After 10 minutes, you can see the oil which has separated on the top of the gravy. And our gravy is finally ready to be served. Top it with chopped mint and coriander leaves. Hope you all will like and share this recipe with your family and friends. Goes extremely well with naans, parathas or rotis.
Thanks for watching and please do subscribe our channel.